Resource leveling is a project management technique used to examine unbalanced use of resources, usually people or equipment, over time, and for resolving over-allocations or conflicts. The project network with activities A, B, and C in duration is shown. Activity A has 3 days of slack, and activity C has 2 days of slack. Assume activity A has 2 workers, B has 4 workers, and C has 2 workers. Resource usage if all activities start on one day. Resource usage, if activity C is delayed 2 days, its total slack. This is an example of resource leveling. Scenario analysis is a process of analyzing possible future events by considering alternative possible outcomes, sometimes called alternative worlds. Thus, the scenario analysis, which is a main method of projections, does not try to show an exact picture of the future. Instead, it presents consciously several alternative future developments. Consequently, a scope of possible future outcomes is observable. Not only are the outcomes observable, also the development paths leading to the outcomes. The project management team determines the dependencies that may require a lead or a lag to accurately define the logical relationship. The use of leads and lags should not replace schedule logic. Activities and their related assumptions should be documented. A lead allows an acceleration of the successor activity. A lag directs a delay in the successor activity. This helps in easily planning out project tasks, subtasks, and predecessors, allocate resources based on availability, assign necessary time frames, and monitor progress and milestones in real time. Additionally, managers are able to see the impact of adding to or changing their current plans. With best fit capacity planning, the PMIS sorts projects by priority and finds the earliest start date for each project with the fewest overages within the specified date range. Fast tracking and crashing are important project schedule compression techniques that help the project manager to shorten the duration of the project. These techniques are used to compress the schedule when no change in project scope is required. In schedule fast tracking, you review the critical path and find out which activities can be performed parallel or partially parallel to each other. The benefit of fast tracking and schedule compression is that it does not cost you any extra money. However, it comes with some amount of increase in risks because you are performing many activities in parallel which were originally planned in other ways. Activities are replanned to perform in parallel or partially parallel. It does not cost you any extra money. It increases the risks. Schedule crashing is another schedule compression technique in which you add extra resources on the project activities to reduce the activity completion time. Additional resources are added to the activities to finish it early. It costs you extra money. No significant increase in risks.